Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix no signal or no mobile network on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, scroll from the top, disable mobile data and enable back on. And the same thing do with airplane mode, enable and then disable to reset the settings. Then take off the screen protector, the case of your phone if you have any. Take something long and thin, like a needle, and right here on the left side of your phone is the SIM card slot. Just put it into this hole right here and push down to open the slot. Now it popped off. Take it off. Okay, and you have this SIM card in here. Oops. Now take a microfiber and brush gently this golden side right here. Then put it back into this tray like this and into the phone. Also, you can restart your phone or contact your carrier if the problem persists. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.